Craig from Blue Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, Lucy from Anagram is back.
I am.
Hi.
Hello. You alright?
I'm alright. You alright?
I'm
Alright.
alright.
Right. Today we're not going to show how to make this, but it's pretty simple. You've got a base, a few 5-inch thrown in. You've got this balloon that is called
the Sippy Tea Bobo. No, Sippy Friends Bobo Tea.
Sippy Friends. Sorry, Debs is off camera. Everybody. Sippy Friends.
Sippy Friends Bobo Tea.
Bobo tea. There we are. Sippy Friends Bobo tea, everybody.
And it's a super shape.
And it's based on sort of a bubble tea thing. Do you like bubble tea?
I've had it once.
I quite like it. I quite like the fruit bubble teas with the fruity little squishy things. They're really good. Really nice. And expensive.
Yeah, very.
I was just saying, 12 quid. Anyway.
Wow.
Right, but today what you're going to show is this, which is a Clearz.
Yeah,
and how to get a latex balloon inside it.
Yeah, definitely. So it's a Crystal Clearz petite we're using. Okay. So with the Crystal Clearz petite, just take it out of the packet. Comes with a little sticker on it. Okay, so you're going to take the sticker off. So glasses go on. Take the sticker off.
It's good that they did it as a sticker and you can just take it off.
Yeah. And then we're just going to inflate this with air to begin with. Okay, so I'm just going to inflate it fully.
Is that fully inflated? Yeah.
No, you can go a little bit bigger than that. So yeah, as long as the creases have gone.
But that's the size of the petites.
Yeah. So it's a 10-inch. So with the valve, it's got. You can see where it's cut off here.
Yep.
This is where we're going to go in at an angle, so diagonal to cut the balloon. And when I cut the balloon, I'm going to push against the table because I want the valve to spurt out. Otherwise, it tends to sort of stick to itself.
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to go in at an angle, 45-degree angle, and then I'm going to push against it.
Oh, there it is.
It's
it's on your arm.
So that's our removing the valve.
Valve removal.
It is. Okay, so we're going to use a 5-inch macaron blueberry, 5-inch.
Let's just do one. We only need to do
Oh,
one.
okay. And we'll do the satin lux, the amber. Okay, you said you like that.
I do like that.
Going to roll it up, drop it in. Okay, and then I'm going to. You can hand pump this if you wanted to, if you didn't have an electric. So if you want to make them sure that they're all the same size, you can use the hand pump. Okay, I'm just going to put it in. 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps. Push the neck all the way down and then tie close to the bubble. Close to the actual, I'm saying bubble because it's a bobo tea, but yeah, close to the Clearz. And then cut that there. Okay, and then you keep stuffing the stuff in. So as it gets fuller, you're going to need to put a little bit more air in it. Yeah.
And then you would put another balloon in it, do exactly the same. And you probably, would 3 be the maximum for this sort of size?
I'd say 3, yeah. I'd say 3. Okay. Just to...
Now let's imagine then, there's 3 balloons in there. What do you do next?
So he's going to inflate it again. Okay, and then we're going to twist it around. And then we're going to take a 260 that's taken the air out of it.
Okay. This one right there.
That's lovely, thank you. And then we're just going to place it at the top of my thumb, wrap it around. 1, 2, 3. Really pull this really tight.
Yep.
And then take the other side. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Lean against the table and then just tie off in a double knot. So you can vinyl these as well with the air filled. Yep. And that's our petite Clearz.
Perfect. So you'd have 3 balloons in there. You just tie that on with the 260 and job's a good one.
Definitely.
All right. Lucy, thank you so much for that.
You're
As a guest on
welcome.
BMTV, guess what? You get to ask everybody the question of the week. What is it?
What's your favourite flavour? Bubble tea.
Your favourite flavour bubble tea, which is quite hard to say.
It is.
What's your favourite flavour bubble tea? Say it 5 times quickly. Don't. Leave your comments down below on Facebook and on YouTube. Thank you once again. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time we upload a new show. Stay happy, stay positive. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.